yourself up over there.
This is funny. So, explain to me what you're doing.
Making piles of cards. I seem to have really random numbers in it.
3, 5, 2.
Whatever it feels like. It doesn't matter. Whatever it feels like, put it down. As long as it's more than 4.
I'll put one over here. I don't like that one. I'll put that one down. Okay, I'm gonna keep this one.
Alright.
Okay.
No.
Alright.
I don't approve of that.
Turn over that big pile right there.
Okay, I'll put it down. 3 of these have at least 4 cards.
Alright.
Okay, now gather up all the other ones.
You want me to take this card first? You want me to take it
Oh
first?
my god, it doesn't matter. Yeah, just
Take them off. Take them off. Shuffle them.
No, you shuffle them.
Okay.
You shuffle them.
They're all the
These
same.
gotta stay the same.
You trust me? You
If
trust
they don't stay the same, it's gonna screw me up. You're gonna screw me up.
Okay, it's fine.
Magic won't work.
There's no magic.
There is magic. That's an American Pie. I watch that movie every day. Alright, I saw the bottom card. I admit it. Do you want to shuffle?
No.
You don't trust me?
No.
I think that's spade.
You
Don't.
want
No, it's fine.
Okay.
Six of spades.
She doesn't trust me. She can
It's a
shuffle.
6 of spades.
No.
She can shuffle.
Say you trust
You
him.
guys
I trust
put
you.
two of
I
these
trust
cards
you.
in. Just the top card.
Go.
Okay. You want me to shuffle?
No.
I'll shuffle real quick.
No.
Look, I don't know what's
No.
going on.
No.
The spades is the card game now.
Okay.
This is like a freaking hour-long card game. What? You have pistachio on your...
Let me start it off camera.
What are you doing over there?
That card's a 4. Top card right there is a 4.
How'd you know that? He has 4 cards.
I'm magic.
Did you videotape that?